Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan with regular milk. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir until the sugar dissolves, then let it simmer without stirring until it turns a rich, golden amber color. Carefully pour this hot caramel into a 9-inch round baking dish, swirling it to coat the bottom evenly. Let it cool and harden while you prepare the custard. Next, let's prepare the creamy custard. In a large bowl, gently whisk 4 large eggs and 1 extra egg yolk until they are just combined, avoiding too much air. In a separate saucepan, warm 2 cups of whole milk with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract over medium-low heat until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is warm, but not boiling. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs. Now it's time to bake our delicious flan. Carefully pour the prepared custard through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined baking dish. This step ensures a silky smooth texture. Place the flan dish into a larger roasting pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of the flan dish, creating a water bath. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set, but the center still jiggles slightly. Once baked, remove the flan from the water bath and let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator to chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This chilling time is crucial for the flan to set properly and for the flavors to meld beautifully. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of the dish, place a serving plate on top, and carefully invert the flan. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade flan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.